In this video, we are going to see how we can apply the if or conditions in Excel. So we have the data of salesperson and we want to set criteria now that any of one criteria should meet, because we have already seen under if and criterias that if we set a lot of targets, it might be very difficult for the new salesperson to achieve it, to make the unit sales and approach the new customers as well and meet the targets. It's very difficult for them, and that's why only one person is getting the bonus here. So we might loosen our bonus criteria a little bit so that everyone can take the benefit, or whoever is performing good in any specific area, they might get the bonus. So now we want to set a criteria that if a person either sold the units that is greater than the target or equals to target, or they have approached 150 or more customers in a month, then they qualify for the criteria. So even if they don't meet the unit sold criteria, they might still meet the customer reach area. So we have to calculate this. Let's fill this empty field, paste it right here. Qualify for the bonus. First of all, we will apply the simple qualify criteria that if conditions to start, press tab. Now the logical test is either this condition or this condition should meet. This or that, any of the one. So we will use what? We will use OR formula here. OR. Press tab and then we apply the logic in the same way like we did before. If this unit sold is greater than or equals to what? Equals to unit sold target. And since we didn't give it a name, we can manually fix it. Comma, that means or the customer reach should be greater than or equals to the target. Again, we will fix the customer reach target. If any of these criteria, either this one or this one is meeting, then what should be the result? Yes, otherwise they will not be eligible for the bonus. Hit enter. It will close the bracket at the end automatically. Click yes, double click to send it down, and we have the results. And now we have defined a successful policy where we can easily see many of them are qualifying this way. So the bonus criteria is very simple. If equals to if this cell is equals to yes, then sales amount multiply by percentage, otherwise blank. Hit enter, double click to send it down, and we have the bonus criteria. Now it's not compulsory to always apply it like this. You can also apply it in the other way. Equals to if this cell is equal to no. We can start from no as well. Then what happens? Show dash. Otherwise make the calculation. Otherwise take the sales amount and multiply it by 8%, and 8% target should be fixed. Hit enter and we will notice that we get the exact same results. So it's your choice however you want to apply the formula. For all the logical tests and even in all of the formulas, just the backend logic should remain intact. And if the logic is right, then any formula sequence can be followed. Bonus 2. Now here I want you to stop or pause this video at this point and try it by yourself and then release this. So I hope you have already done that. Let me show you the answer. If you want to apply the if or condition directly without a separate qualify status criteria, equals to if or if the unit sold is greater than or equal to target is fixed, or the customer reach is greater than or equals to the target, and again the target is fixed. If any of these criteria meet, bracket close, then what should we do? Take the sales amount and multiply it by the bonus rate, and again bonus rate is fixed, otherwise set nil. So we have seen step by step how we can apply the simple to complex formulas, and even though we can see a lot of references here, we still know the complete story behind that so that we can easily apply these kind of formulas. So at this point, I want you to practice on all of these scenarios and some more. Even if you have some other data of your own, just practice on that, because in future we will learn some complex and the practical scenario of implementation by combining all of these logics on a particular practical project. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.